Hello everyone, welcome back and a very happy new year 2021 to all of you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a personalized calendar as a new year gift for your friends and loved ones. Before we jump into the video, just want to remind everyone that there is a giveaway going on my Insta channel, so don't forget to check it out. So to make this calendar, the first thing that you would need is a blank calendar, and if you don't have that, then you can also use a small sketchbook like the one you see on screen. This is a A5 size sketchbook. I have divided each page of the sketchbook into two parts. The upper portion will contain a paper cutting design for which I have chosen animal as the theme, and I have chosen silhouette designs of different animals which represent the different months. In the bottom half of the screen, I'll be displaying the calendar of that particular month. To keep the calendar simple, I have taken printout of the different months and I'll be pasting out the cutout on the pages. To do the paper cutting part, I'll be using Fiskars paper cutting knife. I will show you process for the month of January, and the same process will be followed for rest of the months also. The first part is to do the paper cut and then paste it over the upper half of your calendar page. Now that you have removed the cutout parts, it's time to arrange them on the calendar page. So utilize the template from which you have made your paper cutting, and using a transparent glue and a toothpick, we are going to paste the cutout parts. Using your toothpick, apply micro dot or very small dots of glue all over the place where you want to stick the part that you have cut out. Do not apply too much glue or the cutout part will warp by becoming wet from the glue. After applying the glue, carefully stick the cutout part. Once you have pasted all the cutout parts, carefully remove the template from the background. Now comes the bottom half of your calendar page where you are going to paste the calendar for the month. When I'm cutting out the shape, I'm cutting on the inside of the border and not on the outside, because in the final cutout shape, I don't want any border to be visible. Now it's time to paste the cutout for the month. To do it accurately, use your printout as a reference by aligning it with the bottom half of the page, and then by applying glue on the four corners, paste the month on the calendar page. And here we are with the first page of our calendar. We are going to follow the same process for rest of the months also. First, we are going to do a paper cutout for our desired animal shape, and at the bottom half of the calendar, we are going to paste the details for that particular month. Here is how rest of the months have turned out. On each calendar page, you can see an animal which is the representative of that particular month. The best part about this calendar is that you can personalize it as per your desire. If you want a theme of zodiac signs, then you can use that. If you want a theme of flowers or birds, then you can use that. You can even use your family member portraits as the theme. So it's up to you how much complex or how much easy you want to be. I have made this video just to demonstrate an idea that you can make a very personalized calendar for your friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple DIY project. If you guys like the video, then please do not forget to like and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel for regular videos on art and crafts. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye. And once again, a very happy new year 2021.